Pearl MaxiDisc DualMax Interleaf Surface Conditioning Flap Discs. Alternating flaps of non-woven and coated abrasive materials provide uniform, consistent finishes with very little heat. With MaxiDisc DualMax, you can grind and finish in a single operation, plus controlled material removal, and is contamination-free. Application includes finishing light weld seams, light deburring, auto repair, and more. For use with metal and stainless steel. Available in 4.5 and 5-inch diameters, from coarse, medium, and very fine grits. The Pearl MaxiDisc DualMax Interleaf Surface Conditioning Flap Disc. To learn more, please call us or visit our website.